Notice that there is, are you getting this? There is a hole here that's bigger, so they slide. What they do is they slide over the board. Slide. Okay, so that's good to know. So all these boards are plug and play. And what they do, what that means is you'll have some like this one. They can only fit on this part of the board usually. That's normally it. But you'll notice that there's only so many. There's 8, 10. Sometimes there'll be a blank. It'll keep you from plugging something else into it. You want to be careful of the small ones, because some of these have little small pins. When you put them back on, you can bend them, then you got a problem, and then you'll be calling me probably. So that's the next name of that tune. So we're going to go ahead and unplug everything. You're going to need a needle nose for this, and that should, and then I'll show you how to take it apart. Well, she got her light right here. Alright, she does. Alright, it's all good, I guess. Let's see if we can get a light on. A little bit of light. That's better. We're working in a storage unit, which I don't like. But if you do have to do a service call in one, nice. Be gentle if you can. Try to be gentle. Don't be coming in here like a bear, like me. So what we got here is another one up here. Okay, close now. You see. Oh, dang it, Frank. Got another one right there. You gotta pay attention. Don't be pulling on the wires, guys. Don't pull on the wires. That's really kind of critical. You want to make sure that the only thing you're doing is pulling, unplugging. They have a little clip. You need to push that clip till you get it. Don't try to force it. All right, that's okay. Back up. I'm gonna reach up in here, and I'm gonna try. There. That one came loose fairly easy. Now, I check them, and sometimes you get lucky, but not usually. But these are where your pins are, right here. 1, 2, and you got 3, 4 up on top, and sometimes there's one in the middle. And you got to look for that one sometimes, but you need to make sure that you're gentle. Okay, so what we're going to do here, let me get my tools. It's okay. It's okay. Gotta get everything where I need it. Now, just hope I got it. Nice.
The other light's not working?
Let's not talk, please. Right now, I'm doing this. I'm trying to do the video. So next, we are going to do the pins on this particular one. All right, so I'm going to stand up and probably block it. You can back it, maybe. There's only one way you can really squish them to help you. Don't just pull either. You got to get these things loose. Okay, didn't do that. You'll notice if you look really close with a light, you can't see nothing in here. There's no light there. You'll notice right here that if you notice it popped that one loose. So I popped the bottom 2 loose, and then I do the top 2 last. I may have to eliminate that. Shut it off for a minute. Just do the film.
Okay.
We need a stand. It should have a light with a stand. Anyhow, so we got enough light. You getting anything?
Yes.
So here we go. We got we have our board here, and you're gonna have to put it in the way the other one came out. Your top right mode button goes on the top right on this model, so that's how you can kind of tell. Pay attention and be gentle. Don't just grab it everywhere. Try not to, but you know these boards are sensitive, so treat them that way. So line up your holes on your little nipple things, and then just push gently. You don't have to. Some of them don't even have to lock in, because you're probably never going to have to worry about that. They don't just fall out. Then you go back and you plug everything in the way you unplugged it. Pretty much, that's it. And you're good to go. So we got one up here. Now these are some with small pins. You'll notice these little pins. We want to kind of be careful, you know. Get back up. There, it went in right, nice and easy, like that. So if they don't go in, don't force it. Take your time. If you're in a hurry, this ain't the job for you. You shouldn't be doing this job if you're in a hurry. You should be taking your time, making sure it's right, and that way, and of course you know to power down, everybody. Everybody knows that, right? I'd hope so by now. We've already went over that enough times. This one don't want to line up. Now my eyes aren't good. There, lined up, click. No big deal. Once it lines up, they usually go in fairly easy. Some boards are a lot tougher than others. Some of these boards you have to really be careful because you can bend. Okay, let's back up. Pretty much done. We're going to go into program mode here shortly. I'm going to go and finish this up, and that's going to probably be about the end of that video, maybe not. We will see. We had one more. Where'd it go? Oh. Two more. I know we had this one. And I thought we had another one on the right. Okay. Nice thing is if you video taking it off, if you get confused, because sometimes you'll have a spare, like we do, I think this is a spare, you're going to, let's say that you don't find the wire, it gets under something. Go back and look at your video and see where they were. And this one goes here. Simple as that, you know, guys. Not rocket science, but you do have to pay attention and be careful with stuff. And that's about it, you know. That's it on that. So then you go ahead and do your cover on it just like you did before, backwards. So, hold on. So let me show you how to put this cover on properly. Don't get your wires all crossed up in front of it. Okay, you want to make sure that your wires are kind of lined up so they come out the bottom properly. You're not forcing nothing. You know, that's the hard part, really. Yeah, don't bang it around on your... Golly, guys. It really is there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, do this left side first, because these are the headache. That's the headache, child. Yes, sir. Yeah, we want to move that over so it's under. Yeah. Yes, sir. That's what we want. So then we get over here, and it just needs to be kind of, you know, on there. Let's go over here. We got the nose right here. Yeah. Oh. Might have to have a light, but anyhow, there. She clipped down. You're back in business. Okay, that's it. That's what there is. That's all there was. That's all for this particular thing. And make sure that you subscribe and that you give us thumbs up if you like this, because we need it to keep making videos. We're not monetized, so it'd be nice if we were. Give me more inspiration to do this. That's it. Thank you.